तो स्वागत है अपने न्यू व्लॉग में। तो हम जा रहे हैं वापस से एक न्यू इंटरव्यू के लिए। तो अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं दादर, और दादर में एक वीज़ा प्रोसेसिंग का जॉब के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट था, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है। तो अभी फटाफट से जाते हैं वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए, और क्या इंटरव्यू होने वाला है, कैसा होने वाला है, और क्या और डिटेल में मुझे तो कुछ पता नहीं इतना वर्क का, बस खाली बोला है उन्होंने कि वीज़ा का कंपनी है, और देखते हैं अभी क्या जॉब होने वाला है। तो आज खाली आकाश मेरे साथ है, तो अभी फटाफट चलते हैं अभी और वहाँ पे जाके मिलते हैं। तो यही से पास में ही है दादर से, ये सिविक सेंटर, आगे से थोड़ा लेफ्ट साइड।
Good afternoon. What is your name?
कौशल।
Yes, how did you get the reference? There is a vacancy here.
इन जॉब फेयर।
Which job fair? Maharozgar.
महास्वयं, हाँ हाँ, महास्वयं रोजगार।
Can you give me a brief introduction about yourself?
Yes, my name is Kaushal and I have completed my graduation in TY BMS Marketing, Bachelor in Management Studies. And about my work experience, I have worked in Paytm as a sales executive for 3 months, and I also worked in motor driving school as a customer attendee for 1.5 years. Right.
Any plans for your further studies?
Now there are no plans, but after 1.5 years I am planning to do MBA after.
Okay, what is your long-term objective, Kaushal?
My long-term objective is to buy a new house in Mumbai, and my short-term objective is to reach a better, higher position in company.
Why did you leave Paytm in 3 months?
Because my exams are held in between.
Okay, but why did you join then? If you knew that your exams are going to come, why did you join the company?
For the experience only, I joined here.
What experience did you gain from there?
There I visited to the merchant shop owners and sell the product of Paytm, like QR code and the sound box. That's it.
So you visited on them on field as well?
Yes, field as well.
Okay, which areas of Mumbai did you cover up?
Dadar and Dharavi, Sayan, Kurla.
How many Paytm boxes were you able to sell out
Total
on a daily basis?
on daily basis it will be 1 or 2.
Okay, what was the target that was given to you?
There is no target incentive on the basis of the you done the sound box selling or QR code.
Okay. What is this diploma in business management?
Diploma?
Sorry, DBM.
Yes.
What is
DBM. वो banking finance services, and they are a course of 3 months.
Okay. So are you interested to make your career into insurance or banking?
Yes, I am interested.
You're interested. How many interviews have you given so far after completing your examinations?
After the examination, this is the third one, or in between the graduation I have given 10 interviews also.
So I believe you're interested for the sales role into the insurance sector.
Yes. In which insurance?
Like see, precisely talking now, this is a travel and tourism company.
Yes.
Okay. But we have one more sister company of ours which is related to financial services. Okay. Since you have a background of financial services, that is the reason I'm asking about it. Okay. So that's located in Lower Parel, our office. Okay. So people who are looking forward for insurance, like we have n number of insurance, right, from your life insurance, health insurance, Mediclaim, motor insurance, vehicle insurance, etc. All types of insurances, travel insurance we are dealing with. So we call up the clients and we inform them about the insurance plans and everything. Plans in terms of like what type of insurance they are looking forward for, and if they are interested with any of the thing, then we explain them about the plans and everything. Okay. So this is one profile that I am having into the same, but that is particularly for the sales specifically.
And what was the visa process?
Yeah. Now, when you talk about the visa, we are a travel and tourism company. We have a head office in Pune, and this is the branch office. Okay. So presently, here we are looking out for a person who will be able to coordinate with the clients on calls and emails. Okay. Now we will get the calls from the clients on a pan-India basis. Okay. and the people are looking forward to travel abroad. Now, let's say for example, ABC client is there who is looking forward to go to UK. Okay, and for going to UK, what documents are required? Then you have to explain the clients what documents are required, how much time is it going to take to avail the visa, what will be the visa fees, and whatever query the client is having, you have to resolve this. So this is the profile that we are having. Apart from this, we also make the corporate client calls and we inform the corporates that we are there in the market for the travel services. Like, because right now many of the corporates are sending their employees for their like you can say meetings, conferences, seminars, projects, etc. So when we approach the corporate clients, we get the business from the corporates as well. Okay, so both the things we are doing, but that is 80% is altogether about getting the calls, and 20% is all about answering them, like how doing calls. And it's all about the documentation process that we are having. The training will be given to you in terms of the documentation process, and you have to inform the clients about the documentation and ensure that the visas are coming on time. And this is how the profile is going to be.
And in the sales, the data which was given by the company, or we
In
have
the
to
sales,
find.
the data is given by the company.
Okay, then only we have to call and generate leads and reach to the customers and convince them
Yes.
about our products.
Yes.
And what was the timing of
So both the timings 10 to 7.
10 to 7? And there is the incentive basis work or fixed salaries?
Fixed salary plus incentives.
What are the fixed salaries?
For which profile you are asking?
Sales.
For the sales, it is like we start with somewhere around 16 to 17,000, and then plus incentives.
And here?
Here we have the salary of 15,000 plus incentives, because here we have to explain you everything related to visa. So the training takes time. What is your area of interest? Like where you want to make your career?
Okay, I am interested in sales and marketing.
Okay, so you want to make your career into insurance or something like that?
Yes.
Is that so?
But the salary package will be higher, because I have given another interview in campus interview. There they offered up to 25k around.
No, because see, very precisely talking, we are offering you somewhere around 17 to 18,000 with the sales profile. Okay, because again we have to explain you, we have to give you the training and everything is there, because it is not just basic. बेचने के बाद भी what exactly you are selling, that you should know. So you should be aware about the product as well.
Yes.
Like it is up to you what you have to do and so on. But at the end of the day, this is what we are giving all together. And of course, after 6 months, if you are really performing well, then you can think of a salary increment. That depends. How it is, what it is.
Last will be salary.
Somewhere around 18. 18 will be the last.
And what are the incentive on which basis?
It is the number of policies that you make, that you crack and start.
Yes.
People should be able to give the premium and start with their policies.
Okay, done. Thank you.
So, what will be, will you be interested to go with that role?
Insurance.
Insurance.
Yes.
Achha. And if you're getting selected, can you join on an immediate basis?
Yes.
Your area of interest is something into sales and marketing.
Yes.
Kaushan, then the next round of interviews will be taken place in our Lower Parel office. Okay. Like today, is it possible for you to go to our Lower Parel office?
Yes.
So I can give you the address and everything. Okay. And you can go there and you can give the interview, because the finalization of the interview takes place from that particular office.
Okay.
Yes. So accordingly, we can schedule the meeting.
Okay, done.
Okay. So till what time can you reach to Lower Parel?
2 o'clock or 2:30.
Okay, fine, no problem. So you have filled up the form, right?
Yes. I filled.
Okay, so my colleague will send the address of Lower Parel on this particular number then.
Okay.
Is it a WhatsApp number?
Yes.
Okay,
Both.
fine. So she'll send you the details. So accordingly, it is hardly 5 minutes walking from station. It's opposite to Peninsula.
Lower Parel, no?
In Lower
Peninsula,
Parel. Peninsula.
yes, I
Just
know.
opposite to Peninsula, there's Marathon Icon building. So
Yes.
you can visit there.
Okay.
Take it.
And there is a permanent office where I daily basis.
You have to go reach Lower Parel. You have to sit in Lower Parel office.
Okay.
If you are getting selected.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine, no problem. You can take the same resume and you can go there. Okay, I'll inform the concerned person that you have come for the interview.
ओके
ठीक है, फाइन.
हाँ थैंक यू. तो फाइनली अभी हम लोगों का जो फर्स्ट राउंड था इंटरव्यू का दादर में, तो वो सक्सेसफुली क्लियर हो गया अपना. तो वो लोगों ने अभी हम लोग को सेकेंड राउंड इंटरव्यू के लिए लोअर परेल भेजा है. तो यहाँ पे मैराथन बिल्डिंग है, यही जो सबसे बड़ी बिल्डिंग है.